Hi everyone, I just want to start off by saying I hope that you and your family are both feeling really well. I know this quarantine thing is kind of messing with a lot of people's heads, especially from a scientific point of view. It's crazy what's going on. I know last episode we had a very interesting turn of events. We had a lot of scientific fails. Should we just start over? It didn't work!
Okay, so I am saving this for round 2 when we screw up round 1.
Today we are going to be looking at some other scientific fails because I don't want to feel left out. Because right now I'm feeling kind of like a failure and I am feeling unmotivated. So if I see other people failing, then maybe I won't feel as left out and I'll want to try again. No, that's not what you should do. But still, what question are we asking in this episode, Abby? The answer is, I guess we'll be answering the question what you should do when you fail a science experiment. Because a lot of people, they usually give up. There was an experiment like that where we would just toss it out. So we're going to be looking at some videos of failed experiments and let's just get into it.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wow. There are other people working on this.
So in this video I'm going to be reacting to a lot of failed experiments, what they look like. Alright, so we have the laptop here with the footage. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, play it and see what goes on. Alright, sorry about that. We're just gonna play it. Just have you just play it, okay. Oh my... What? They try to make a water bottle explode?
We're gonna try and crack an egg on the sidewalk.
Aww.
To see if it will cook. Ready? Nope.
Aw, that was cute. Okay, so the first rule in experimenting is you do not put your face directly over your substance if it's supposed to, I mean, that's not the first rule, but it's a rule.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, the scream! The scream! Oh, the fire alarm's going off.
Ah!
14 packets of baking soda in a half gallon of vinegar.
Holy crap! Screw it on! Screw it on! Jake has guts.
What is he doing? Serves him right. Serves him right. His friends were like, "What are you doing?" And he was like, "I'ma shake it." And then it exploded. You gotta read the instructions. Man, that was our number one problem. I can't speak. My mom and I were rushing, so we misread the instructions, and that was what potentially led to our downfall. So yeah, I could say read the instructions if you're going to do a science experiment. Do not shake it in your face. What? Anyway. What it? Oh. Goodness. I actually have a funny story. So in chemistry class last year, I was on crutches, so my lab partner Ethan, he would pretty much help me a lot of the time, which I was really thankful for. But the lab group across from us, they were kinda... they did not follow instructions. The one guy in the group, he actually drank a substance from the experiment we were doing, and Ethan and I were like, bro, what are you doing? And he was like, it tastes good. No, you should not do that. Anyway, we were working with Bunsen burners. I'll insert an image here so you could get like a realistic view of what they might look like. So you have to have this like clicker thing to turn it on, and it's like a spark because the Bunsen burner emits gas, and so when you spark it, it makes like a fire. So the lab across from us, they could not spark their Bunsen burner. So what they did was they turned on the gas to their Bunsen burner, they reached over the lab table to our Bunsen burner, pointed it towards Ethan, and the gas emitted in his face, and tried to light his Bunsen burner on ours. And we were like, oh, what? Like, Ethan could have gotten seriously hurt, and I don't know. I find that kind of funny, but I don't know how he didn't get in trouble for that. Ethan and I kind of just like laughed it off, but it could have been a serious accident. So you gotta be like really careful when it comes to fire and anything in the lab, really.
Don't try this at home, because if you do, you're dead.
Bro, what? What? Then why is he trying it? I don't think that should be, I don't think that's a proper disclaimer. And it looks like he has Coke and Mentos, which is a pretty standard experiment. Is that Rocky? Oh my goodness. I don't think that's what was supposed to happen. Oh my god! I've tried that once. When I was little, we had a trampoline, and I would jump off the trampoline with umbrellas. Yeah. That's pretty much how it went.
After 10 minutes of being outside in my sweatiness, the egg did not cook.
After 10 minutes of being out in my sweatiness. There you go, guys. There were some reactions to some experiments. If you guys would like to see anything similar to this, just let me know, and I could create. If you guys would like anything similar to this, just let me know. And oh my goodness, who is texting me? If you guys would like to see anything similar to this in the future, please let me know, and I would possibly make some more in future videos, because you know, I got nothing better to do than just, you know, sit at home on my laptop. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode of Asking Questions. Thank you so much for watching. Quarantine 1 month. We got this, guys. We got this. If you guys are feeling lonely, or if you need a friend or someone to talk to, you know, just reach out. I'm sure that a lot of people are going through the same things, and they would also love your comfort. So, with no further ado, I'm gonna wrap things up and say peace out. Goodbye.